Hello viewers, again welcome. Today we dive into the world of rustic cozy farmhouse look craft. It is very beautiful craft and everybody wants mostly people love to do that, and it is a specialty of this video is it is made by jute rope. Most of the designs made by rope, and you brought some burlap craft added, and you can make it, you can craft with it, and some family get together and children, we have some crafted things. So everybody asked that who made this, and you proudly say I made it. So benefits are that it is a pure dopamine creation of something, this type of craft, very beautiful and energetic ideas and stress release hormone. It takes you the world of relaxing world. So this crafted things is very beautiful and very necessary for everyone who wants to make craft, who wants to do something different and elegant. So we try to bring the best and beautiful ideas, beautiful craft ideas, and this holiday season, this Xmas season, you can make it very beautifully. And if you want to make your brand, so by getting ideas from this video, you can open your brand, small to big, and you can do whatever you want. This season is not only for get together happiness, it's about start your own business. It's time to do something and sell something, make something different, something trash into treasure, something trash into sparkle, and make your own things. So this video gonna take you to the world of very beautiful craft farmhouse rustic look ideas. And who wants to make something different and it's creative, so this video is for you, and you are here is the right place. So thank you so much for watching. We are amazed to see your response for videos. So I would really love to reply that, and
Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Here we come again with the amazing and beautiful video, homemade jute craft, especially for you. So let's start the video. Today we are going to create something truly beautiful and budget friendly using simple jute rope. Jute rope is one of the most versatile crafting material. You can transform it into home decoration, organizer, wall hanging, and much more. In this video I will walk you step by step through the process, sharing useful tips so you can make your own masterpiece at home. So let's get started. Material section. First of thing, for the project you will need jute rope. Choose a medium thickness for durability, a hot glue gun and glue stick, cardboard or MDF sheet as the base, scissors, some decorative items like beads, shells or artificial flowers, and optional white paint, varnish or fabric for extra finishing. Guys, make sure your working space is clean and that you have all your material nearby. First, let's prepare the base. Take your cardboard or MDF sheet and cut into the desired shape as you select. This could be a circle, square or even a heart. The base is important because it will provide strength and stability to our craft. Once the shape is ready, apply a thin layer of glue on the surface to prevent the rope from slipping. Now comes the fun part, wrapping the jute rope. Start from center of your base, apply a small dot of hot glue, press the rope firmly and begin cooling it in a circle motion. Work slowly, adding glue as you go to keep the rope in place. Make sure each round is tight and close the previous one. This will give a neat and professional finishing. This step might take some time, but patience will reward you with a beautiful design. Once your base is fully covered, you can get creative. You can use smaller piece of roof to form pattern like flower, spur, or even geometric shapes. To make a flower, simply roll a small piece of roof into a teeny coil and glue it into the base and several coils coil together, and you will have a rustic looking just flowers. Feel free to experiment with different arrangements. That the beauty of crafting, it's all about your imagination. Now let's start decorate. Attach beads or shell at the center of the flower for extra detail. You can also glue artificial leaf small pearls along the border of classy look. If you want a more modern touch, paint some section of the roof with high of gold acrylic paint. This will highlight the texture and make the craft stand out. The best part about jute roof craft is that they can be both beautiful and useful. Turn your creation into a wall hanging by attaching a look or ribbon at the back. Use it a coaster or table mat, or if you made a longer piece, it can even work as decorative tray or organizer. And that it, we are creating a stunning jute roof craft with just a few simple material. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this step-by-step tutorial. If you tried, don't forget to share and result in the comments below. I would love to see your creativity. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates and more videos. If you really want to watch a full tutorial step by step, so must visit our channel. There is lots of homemade tutorials and crafting, upcoming season, Christmas parties. So there is most of unique ideas with detail. So please must visit for tutorial video. In this video I am sharing you some pictures for your reference, how to make your home beautiful on this in this upcoming Christmas event. People will love this your art and must appreciate with you. So please post your valuable comments, share your thoughts.